Here's how you weave in the ends. I'm using a large eye tapestry needle, and I threaded it, and I left myself a tail maybe between 6 and 8 inches long. And when you're weaving in the ends with crochet, you have all these stitches here that are perfect for sliding the needle in. I go from right to left, and see, I just drew it through all of those. And then I'm going to back up one stitch and go under and keep going. So that sort of tacks it down. This would be the minimum amount of yarn that you would want to tack down. If you want to keep going, you can kind of follow the stitches. So I'm just doubling where the stitches are sort of twisted like this at the top. And then I have another bundle that I can slide right underneath. And then you can keep going as long as you like, and then you can also back up. So I'm going to skip one loop and then go back in this other direction like that. And then we're going to snip it pretty close so that the end is invisible. And that's one end.